Me hate woman especially.
Paul Gaynor, aka Tulox, is not what you think. Here's why. So, Paul Tulox Gaynor is known for his My Two Cents podcast and the Twins of Twins volume with his brother Curlylocks. But the internet says he's a misogynistic, woman-hating creep. Is this true? Let's get into it.
Jamaican man are worst cheater. Worst cheaters in the world. If that's a fact, tell me how almost 37% of men end up with jacket since you're so innocent. Your front just the woman a behave. Every time you left the front stay home and asleep. And that you want me believe now, don't it? You're so innocent in theory. But in practicality, some on the front done. Like done, nothing left. That's why most of them get a come out. Oh, me want big would have feel long and would have feel fat. If you have good old this, can hold it and hold it. And suit you nice, you have ball like baby to it hot. That's a good one. But someone wreck on a pussy then come blame man for everything. Man got through so much for the stress. You would have feel big, you would have feel long, you have feel rich, you have feel this, you have feel that. Plus, you still get a picnic. We're not bomb buckler years.
Now, based upon that clip, I would say Tulox did not say nothing wrong. He was speaking, for the most part, the truth, and he just added some comedic elements to it. Because as you know, before there was King Tavi, before there was these internet comedians, there were Twins of Twins. So you know, same guy added a little comedic twist to it. And to be honest, there's nothing that he said that come across as woman-hating or misogynistic. But let's take a look at some of the comments that I saw under that post. Genius NB48, the man have serious aggression towards woman. To me, it seems like you're not so much of a genius because nothing about that came off as aggressive. Casablanca says, but look on rat teeth, use protection. So what Casablanca is saying is that it's men's fault for women giving them jacket because we are not using protection. Okay, let's read the next comment. Girl from Venice. It's long time this going on. From our great-grandparents were in coffee peace. Half of Jamaica children are calling another man daddy without knowing the truth. Believe it or not, many of the guilty women are married women or women in common law unions. I still blame the men. If they were bootsing up and asking for proof, it wouldn't catch them. However, most men don't care because there is an unfortunate habit of not maintaining their children. I'm not even gonna argue about that one day. Let's move on. Shernet Henry 828. Because you all love more than one woman. A woman will let a man know that she is in a relationship. However, he is willing to stay on the side, and when she get pregnant, guess who are gonna get the picnic? So we all love more than one woman, but at the same time you are say every woman have a side man. But when the side man breed her, who expect she forget the picnic? The main man? Like, that comment don't make no sense. The person even know what they matter about. It seems to me at this point, these females really just be saying anything. Now let's hear Tulox say something.
Me hate woman especially. And remember, no beat me and tell me say me hate woman and who hurt me. All type of fuckery. Look on this and tell me who hate woman.
Bro, that girl see me life are going good. Number one straight. Bro, come out to me. Hey, girl, come out to me, yard. Yo, come out to me. Yo, where cheating, bro? Yo, let me out there, bro. Bro, I mean, that girl come out to, bro, when that girl come out to the yard, that's fine. Where are you with them? Where that girl come out to me, yard, bro? Where you go get out of that? Where you go get out of that? Come out to me, yard, bitch. Come out to me, yard. Dirty bitch. But that big stinking bitch, man. Come on to my fucking yard, dirty bitch. I want you, man. What the fuck? Dog, dog. Yo, Shelly, yo, bumbuckler, yo. Me know somebody if you want to move from your center, dog. Bro, what man that tell me something? Move from your center, bro.
No, different from the fuck. So Jaden Knight here distract me in that video. You see the amount of disrespect. Allegedly, that's the ex we named Ashley when him and her just broke up. So that video I no new. I know nobody go in my comment section and tell me how when the video do. But me just a try for show you. So when a man really a disrespect woman, una look past it. When me talk, this when I see on the screen, I what them say in the comments. I'm still not convinced this dude genuinely loves women. And them are based on my last interview with IRFM. This man needs help. He had drama as a child seeing his mother struggle and basically couldn't raise him and his brother. Plus he went through depression after his baby mother did to him. He needs counseling. The way he speaks about women is because of what he went through. And when this man, in that clip here, actually this woman, in the worst way, one of the most disgusting way me ever see. Somebody show me a clip when me ever deal with that woman, especially somebody when me deal with her, my ex. So show me that clip there. Show me a clip where me publicly humiliate one woman so because Gaynor know send the dep on him live. So him actually never gave a fuck. But he wasn't branded as a man when I like woman. Matter of fact, these are the comments after that clip that I just shown you and the way him deal with that woman root word. Remember say every woman a woman to woman, you know. Prostitutes, dogs, junkers, everything a woman. Mother Earth. After Gaynor deal with that woman, they saw another clip there. Look on them comment here. He still care about her. That's why he's acting like that. He's hurt because she left him. So Jaden hurt because she left him. So me never hurt because my baby mother left me with my son. I never that me though. Oh, me just wicked. Me just hate man. Okay. The next one I said, that sounds like someone who cares. Wow. That one I say, but why she show uninvited? Look on that one here. Don't wrong Jaden. No one them run gone over Fabi if he go sleep. Don't wrong him. Ashley, your time is over. Yes, Jaden, stand on your 10 toes. Look how me I try to show you, say them gal ya, them wicked as fuck. Some of them. Anyway, them youth are head not screw and good. None at all. I'm telling you, say them boy are shaking no matter how them act like. I just pretend we are pretend man. Create controversy so them can give way. Now I'm fuck for doing that. You paint your house in a blood clot pink so you can get gift too. Gay then, yeah. Batty boy! Batty boy. And the world soon see that.
Alright, so based on that clip there, where I'm showing about Tulox and that breakdown there with Jaden, and the first clip where I did showing where the people are bashing me in the comments, it's safe to say this man not here too, man. As a matter of fact, I go out on a limb and say this man probably love woman more than enough for Uno where I bash him in the comments with same hate woman. Anyways, people, that's it for now. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and literally costs nothing. And that is why Tulox is not who you think he is. Bird Nation, stay sharp.